I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Bluesky app. All you have to do in the first, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down here into your found apps, click on it. You come to apps list here, and there you're looking for Bluesky app, or just click on search. Add here Bluesky, add here Bluesky. It's going to show for you like this. You come to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down here, just click on storage. Come to storage is here, just click on clear cache. So then you go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store here. You search here for Bluesky app, then it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, then it's going to work with you. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.